Hello and welcome to this live Forex trading session. As usual, we're just going to go through the markets, look for trading opportunities. The main markets we'll be looking at are the Euro-US dollar and the dollar-Canadian dollar. And then afterwards, we'll take any questions, issues, or comments you have after we've gone through the markets. So let's get started. So as usual, we start off by looking at the economic calendar. I'll just bring that up. So today is Wednesday, the 27th of October. And as usual, I've got my time zone set at GMT +2. So make sure you set your own economic calendar to wherever time zone you are. So the times I'll be quoting for the reports will be GMT +2. So like I said earlier, we're looking at the Euro-US dollar and the dollar-Canadian dollar. So we're looking for reports of high importance that could affect those markets. So let's have a look. So we can see at 8 o'clock this morning, GMT +2, we have this JFK Consumer Confidence Report due out of Germany. And of course, Germany being the powerhouse in Europe, that would affect the Euro-US dollar or currencies paired with the Euro. Then at 2:30 p.m. GMT +2, which is in about an hour's time, we have the UK autumn budget and the US durable goods orders. And as you know, reports out of the United States affects all markets and all currency pairs. So there's a high probability of the markets trending sideways prior to that report. And then the last report of high importance we have today, it's at 4 p.m. GMT +2, which is the Bank of Canada interest rate decision. Of course, the Bank of Canada interest rate decision will have a huge impact on the Canadian stock market and the Canadian dollar. So all currencies paired to the Canadian dollar will be affected by that report. And since we're trading the dollar, Canadian dollar, we're just going to avoid trading that particular currency pair. The dollar, Canadian dollar, will avoid trading it prior to the report at 4 p.m. But for the Euro-US dollar, we can start trading it at 2:30. We will avoid trading the Euro-US dollar prior to 2:30, prior to the US durable goods orders report. So that's the plan. Again, just check Market Watch to see if there's anything causing uncertainty in the currency market. And as we can see, there's nothing really causing uncertainty in the currency market. Of course, a lot of news affecting the stock market, but not the currency market. So going to the charts, looking at the Euro-US dollar, you can see it's currently trending sideways. You can see the pivot point clearly within the sideways trend. R1 is outside the sideways trend. S1 is outside the sideways trend. But again, we'll keep out. We'll wait till the report at 2:30 before we decide where to place our orders. Then looking at the dollar, Canadian dollar, you can see it initially shot up, but it's now trending sideways. Like I said, we would avoid trading this market. We'll wait till the Bank of Canada interest rate decision at 4 p.m. GMT +2, and we'll reassess the market just before that, and then decide where to trade there. Okay, any questions? If you have any questions, you can either raise your hand or send your question through to the chat box.